Congratulations! You're building the world's next great application. But before you launch, you need to test and retest every component, build, and feature to make sure things work as planned. To do all that, you need the right test data. But getting the right data in the right format can take weeks, slowing you down and driving costs up. The answer is CA Test Data Manager. It gives you the tools to automate test data management, create synthetic test data from scratch, shorten your test cycles from weeks to days, and improve compliance. For example, let's say you're building a credit card app. You're going to need test data like a credit score and an available credit balance. Problem is, you may not have easy access to production credit card data, or you can't use production data at all because of data privacy laws. Problem solved. With CA Test Data Manager, it's your choice. You can import and mask existing production data, or generate your own synthetic data to fully test each application component. Not just pieces, but the entire app. Test as you go and go and go. That's the power of CA Test Data Manager.